Welcome back to GrowUp Business. Before you can send emails from GrowUp, your manual emails, your automated ones, and your bulk emails, you need to set up a dedicated sending domain. Let me show you how. Go down to Settings, then open Email Services and click Create Dedicated Domain. That brings you to this page where you type in your domain. The best way to do it is info.yourdomainname. So if your business website is yourbusiness.com, you put info.yourbusiness.com. The first part, the info part, you can change to anything you like. But the last part has to match the domain you actually own. Exactly. So take your time and get that right. Then click Add and Verify. Now, it pops up so you can connect your domain. Hit Continue. GrowUp detects where your domain is hosted, whoever your provider is, and that is completely fine. You just authorize the domain. If yours is not showing as verified yet, go back to dedicated domains, click Verify Now, and come back in. Then you are looking for one thing. You want it to say SSL issued. Once you see SSL issued, your email is set up and ready inside GrowUp. Now here is something important. Every brand new email needs to be warmed up first. When an email address is new, the providers like Google and Yahoo do not trust it yet. They want to see that you send real emails before they let everything land in the inbox. So at first, some of your emails will go to spam, and that is completely normal. Think of it like building trust. The more steady you are early on, the better your inbox results later. So start small. Email yourself. Email the other addresses you use for your business. Send a few every single day. After a couple of weeks of this, your domain is warmed up and your emails start landing right where they should. Once that is done, you can send to all your leads and customers from GrowUp. Let me show you. Go to your Contacts tab. I will add a quick lead, John Smith, with an email address and hit Save. Now you can email him. His details sit here on the left, and this is where you type the email. By default, your name goes in the from name, and the from email is the address you just created. But here is the nice part. You can mask over it with any other email you want it to look like it came from. Whatever you put here is what the customer sees when the email lands. Then add your subject line, type your message, and send it out. You can also send emails straight from the Conversations tab. If you have already been talking to someone there, you reply the same way. And you can go to your Marketing tab, open up emails and campaigns, and build full email campaigns from there. I will go deeper on campaigns in another video. One last thing. Once your email is set up, go to the Reply and Forwarding settings under Email Services. Here you can add a forwarding address. So if you want every email that comes in to also drop into one of your normal business inboxes, instead of logging into GrowUp every time, you put that inbox here. And you can add a reply address too. So when people reply, the conversation continues in whatever inbox you prefer. And that is your email fully set up inside GrowUp Business. You can now send manual emails, bulk emails, and full campaigns to your leads and customers, all from one place. I will see you in the next one.